In this video, I want to show you how to turn the child lock on or off on any Whirlpool oven. It's fairly simple to do, and this particular one's the Gold Series, but you might have a different version. All right, so in order to unlock it, as you can see here, there's no lock icon on there. So to lock it, the only thing you have to do is either look for a lock button, LOC or LOCK, and hold it down for like 3 seconds. And vice versa, if you want to turn it off, you hold it down for 3 seconds. But this particular one is the start button. So we're just going to hold it down for 3 seconds. As you can see there, it has a little lock on there. So that way I can't change anything on the controls or anything, and it'll make it safe. And then vice versa, to turn it off, locate the lock button and hold it down for 3 seconds, or just hold down the start for 3 seconds. And there you go. That's how you lock or unlock a Whirlpool oven.